माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, अभी मैडम ने एडवर्टीजमेंट्स के बारे में कहा. आई वांट टू आस्क मैडम, in the last 4 months there are a flurry of misleading ad on TV, print media and the social media, and they are promising heaven to the investors. And during this World Cup 2020, more than 50 crore was spent by the crypto exchange companies. तो मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि is there any plan to ban such advertisements? Because जो स्टेटमेंट्स आए हैं आरबीआई के वो किसी ने पढ़ा नहीं, केवल अंग्रेजी के अखबार में स्टेटमेंट्स आ गए. सो आर यू गोइंग टू इंसर्ट सम एडवर्टीजमेंट्स prominently in all the regional and Hindi and English newspapers, number one. Number two, that because these ads are without any disclaimer. So are you going to, is Government of India thinking of banning such advertisements which are misleading और जिसके कारण लोगों का करोड़ों रुपया नुकसान हो सकता है? इसलिए मेरा स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन है कि is Government of India contemplating to ban such misleading advertisements till the bill comes to this house, because nobody knows this bill will come or not come. Last time also it was mentioned in the bulletin, but it could not come into the house. तो इसलिए बैन करने के बारे में मेरा आग्रह कि क्या सरकार विचार करेगी बैन करने के बारे में.
सुझाव. Sir, two things. Last time also there was a bill mentioned and it didn't happen. I just want to remind honorable member, yes, last time there was a bill proposed, but subsequently because there were other dimensions which in the real time we thought it was important to bring into the bill, that bill had been reworked, and in a way the bill which is coming now is a new bill, but never mind, the work done on that have all been taken on board here. So intent was either we improve that bill or come with a bill which is going to be far more recent. So that intent of getting that bill at that time was there, a genuine intent. And now we are coming up with a new bill, so it's not as if the last time we just put it there, didn't want to come with one, so leading to a suspicion that this time also we are putting a bill, we may not come up with one. No, let me be clear on that, that the earlier attempt was definitely to come up with a bill which the House can consider. But later, because rapidly a lot of things had to come into play, we had started working on a new bill, and this is the bill which is now being proposed. And this bill is, once the cabinet clears it, it will come here into the House. That is one thing. And second, about the misleading advertisements and about are we banning them, I want to inform the honorable member who's been a finance minister earlier in Bihar. I've also been in very influential and guiding positions in the GST Council, whose advice all of us have benefited from. So I value his question. There are, with the Advertisement Standards Council of India, the ASCI, which governs all advertisements, their guidelines are being studied, and the regulations that they have are all being looked into, so that we can take, if necessary, some kind of a position or a decision to say how we are going to handle this. I can inform the honorable member that.
Thank you. Second supplementary.
Sir, my question number 2 was there, whether government is seeking to make a separate legal framework for NFT. It has not been answered in this question, in this answer. So I would like, because I've asked that there should be a separate legal framework for NFT. It should not be a part of Cryptocurrency Act. So is government thinking of separate legal framework for NFT? And number 2, because you've answered in question number 4 in D, so I would like to know how many people have paid income tax on cryptocurrencies and how much tax has been collected. Can the minister tell the House how many people have paid income tax on cryptocurrency, income from the cryptocurrency, and how much tax has been collected?
Thank you.
So I don't have the ready information on how much tax has been collected on cryptocurrency or how much has been paid on it. And as regards NFT, the non-fungible ones, honorable member desires having a separate legal framework. At this moment, I may not be able to say whether I will give a separate framework or not. But certainly, as I said, all these matters are being discussed.